Hello students, today we are going to solve ninth problem. Question is given as, in a region with magnetic declination of 2 degree east, the magnetic forebearing of a line AB was measured as north 79 degree 50 minute east. There was local attraction at A. To determine the correct magnetic bearing of the line, a point O was selected at which there was no local attraction. The magnetic forebearing of line AO and OA were observed to be south 52 degree 40 minute east and north 50 degree 20 minute west respectively. What is the true forebearing of line AB? Now we need to determine the true forebearing of line AB. According to the question, the diagram will be like this. That is station A, that is station O, and that is station B. Now, whole circle bearing of AO will be equals to 180 degree minus 52 degree 40 minute. It will be equals to 127 degree 20 minute. That will be the forebearing of AO. Now, whole circle bearing of OA will be equals to 360 degree minus 50 degree 20 minute. It will be equals to 309 degree 40 minute. That will be the back bearing of AO. Now, we need to determine the difference between back bearing and forebearing of AO, and it will be equals to 182 degree 20 minute, and it is greater than 180 degree by only 2 degree 20 minute. Now we need to apply a negative correction at O so that difference between back bearing and forebearing will be equals to 180 degree. But as the station O is free from local attraction, we need to apply a positive correction at A. So correction at station A will be equals to plus 2 degree 20 minutes. So corrected magnetic bearing of AB will be equals to 79 degree 50 minutes plus 2 degree 20 minute. It will be equals to 82 degree 10 minutes. But in the question we need to determine the true bearing of AB. So corrected true bearing of AB will be equals to corrected magnetic bearing of AB plus declination. Here declination is positive because of eastward declination, so magnetic bearing will be equals to 82 degree 10 minutes and declination is 2 degree. So it will be equals to 84 degree 10 minutes. But in the question magnetic bearing is given in the quadrantal bearing system, so we need to quote the corrected true bearing in terms of quadrantal bearing. So the corrected true bearing of AB will be equals to north 84 degree 10 minutes east. That will be the required solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.